Hello friends, welcome to Prodhut channel. In today's video, we will explain about angle grinder. An angle grinder is a powerful tool commonly used for grinding, cutting, and polishing. This particular tool is widely used in construction sites and various other areas, including car repair shops, for altering the metal structure to a certain extent, especially in the exterior of the car. Before buying, there are few things to consider. Let us jump into the features and factors that need to be considered before buying the products, without any delay. The first feature to consider is disc size. There are various disc sizes available in the market, especially when it comes to angle grinders. The power of the angle grinder is directly proportional to the size of the disc. So technically, when you are purchasing a angle grinder, go for a larger size disc for increased power. The cut will also be deeper when you use a large size disc. The next feature to consider is RPM. The RPM range through which the speed is measured is otherwise known as rotations per minute. When you choose an angle grinder for home purposes, you can choose an RPM power of 5000, but when you go for the professional level, then go for the range that is more or less equal to 10,000. The succeeding feature to consider in this list is comfort design. When you are purchasing an angle grinder, make sure that the comfort design is perfect with quality. From the holder to the gear, everything should be appropriately placed. The changing of gears should also be here, and the entire process should be comfortable at the essential end. They also come with safety gear, which makes it possible to offer security while handling the particular to a certain extent. The next on-hand feature in this list is brand. If you plan to use this particular product for a long time, then purchasing them from a good quality brand will ensure your security. When you are purchasing a product, go for the well-known brands in the particular field to purchase them with a good warranty. The warranty is not the only feature you will obtain from a brand, but you also get high-level access to the service centers present all over the country. The next factor is motor power. The best option is to go for a motor whose power capacity is between 500 to 1500 watts. This power capacity will allow the motor to function correctly and will also have the ability to make the powerful completely economical, especially for ordinary people. The upcoming factor in this list is wheels. While selecting a wheel, one of the essential features you have to look into is the circumference of the wheel's diameter, because the diameter should match with the available burst cover present in the angle grinder. We recommend using a diamond dry cut wheel as they are more powerful and suitable for thick metals. The next approaching factor in this list is adjustable guard. Having an adjustable guard will allow you to experience good protection against such features and work efficiently without worrying about getting hurt. It's not just the spark, but the guard also protects you and the hand from accidentally touching the wheel. The leading factor is the side handle. Having a side handle will allow you to apply proper pressure on the angle grinder and work efficiently without affecting the quality. The final factor is the cord length. Make sure that the connection between the grinder and plug point is made up of high-quality wire with sufficient length. It should not melt or get affected in case of fire to avoid accidents happening in the future. After knowing about all the features and factors that need to be considered before purchasing this product, we have selected the top 3 products that are best and available in the current market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product in the list is the Stanley STGS 9100 900W 100 mm small angle grinder, yellow and black. The power consumption of this product is at 900 watts. The features of this particular product are: this product is available in a beautiful yellow and black combination with a powerful motor. It comes along with a spindle lock technology and a beautiful level gear for operating. The disc can be fixed easily, and the disc also comes with the safety lock to prevent accidents. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Black Plus Decker G650 650 watts 4 100 small angle grinder, red and black, G650 in. The power consumption of this product is 650 watts. The features of this particular product are: this is available in a beautiful red and black color combination. Data consumption is reasonable, and hence you can carry them everywhere and connect through the long cord. It comes along with two gears and a swivel handle for operations. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Bosch GWS 600 Professional Angle Grinder, Blue. The power consumption of this product is 670 watts. The features of this particular product are: the product is available in a beautiful blue color and can be used for polishing the external surfaces and cutting purposes. They also have a comfortable sidelined gearhead that allows you to handle them with proper care and comfort. The plastic used is high quality, and they are durable with the cooling fan. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is provided in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.